Photon Robot not only helps teach programming, but also supports the overall development of your students. What's more, it's continuously being developed and updated to accommodate the needs of teachers and students. In this part, I will show you how to use the Photon Robot during interdisciplinary classes and introduce you to the exciting world of Photon Teaching Kits, which makes working with the robot that much more exciting and effective. With Photon Robot, you can interlace theoretical knowledge with practical problem solving, which in turn increases your students' engagements, ensuring quicker and smoother learning. You can either use the specifically prepared lesson plans or create your own to teach anything from humanities and science to basic and advanced coding. Photon Teaching Kits make education more engaging, exciting, and real. Each kit was designed in close cooperation with world-leading experts, teachers, parents, and children. Let's learn more about these kits. Let's start with the Photon Physics Teaching Kit. The experiments and the attached teaching aids take the students way beyond the classic textbook-based lessons, making physics exciting and easy to grasp. The kit was made to support the development of students in grades 7 and 8. The physical nature of the robot and the kit allows for exploring the world of physics through unconventional and exciting experiments, which in turn increases engagement and enhances learning. Teachers can introduce the concepts of uniform motion, force, work, energy, sound, light, and much more. Each student's performance has measurable impact on the entire team's result, which helps foster responsibility and teamwork skills. The kit includes, but is not limited to, 2 photon robots, magic bridge adapters, dynamometers, calipers, weights, and more. Using these and other elements, you and your students can conduct a multitude of exciting experiments. Next up, we have the Photon Sustainable Energy Kit. Teaching environmental awareness is more important than ever. We have designed the Sustainable Energy Kit to help shape an attitude of respect for the natural environment and promote pro-environmental behaviors in students. The kit includes 10 lesson plans that can be used as a whole or as individual activities. Promoting environmental awareness is an easy way to actively participate in creating a brighter future for our children. The kit is suitable for teaching in early elementary and grades 4 through 6. With the lesson plans included in the kit, teachers will be able to develop students' passion for ecology, introduce the concepts of segregating waste, saving energy, recycling, eco-transport, and green cities. The materials allow for conducting group and individual classes. The kit also allows special education teachers to conduct cognitive and social communication lessons. The kit includes, but is not limited to, 2 photon robots, 2 magic dongle adapters, a permanent marker mount, character cutout sheets, magnets, and a drawing mat. The Photon Special Education Kit facilitates teaching students with autism spectrum disorder, as well as other social and emotional disorders. The kit was designed in cooperation with a team of seasoned experts who work closely with students who have their own unique learning needs. In this set, the robot plays the role of a student's companion in the world of confusing social norms and other everyday challenges. The robot is patient and can repeat the same activities many times over, but it can also surprise, entertain, and motivate students to give their best. The kit is suitable for teaching in kindergarten, early elementary, and grades 4 through 6. Therapists can freely adjust the exercises to the needs of a given student, focusing on developing skills and strengthening the areas they consider key. With 50 fully developed lesson plans, teachers can support students' emotional development by enabling students to identify their own emotions and helping them understand how they affect their behavior. Help develop communication skills with the included AAC communication system cards. Increase focus and engagement using Photon Robot and engaging educational games. Support balanced development with activities and methods adapted to their individual needs, abilities, and limitations. Photon Teaching Kits make education more engaging, exciting, and real. Each kit was designed in close cooperation with world-leading experts, teachers, parents, and children. The robot included in each kit can be used separately during any class. Summing up, the robot enables you to integrate theory learning with practical problem solving. we have developed an array of teaching kits to improve the experience of using the Photon robot. The Special Education Teaching Kit is the world's first robotic kit that supports working with children with autism spectrum disorder.